So here is one more example. Uh, I have downloaded this FortiManager from the same link which I have showed you before, and I have already downloaded it, and now I will extract here. So once it will extract here, we will go in the folder inside, and we'll see we have this file, and we will access our WinSCP. I have already created this repository here with the help of eve ng image folder name. And what we will do now, we'll just go in the FortiManager. So let me get that file. So this is the file I will place here, and okay, it's copy, and this is a FortiManager, and FortiAnalyzer files I have already copied here. So now we will go to our CLI, and again we will hit the fix permission command. So after this we will go back to our GUI, and let's see, let's stop this one, and let's find out the node. Okay, so yes, so now you can see in the node we have only coming Fortinet FortiGate, but inside the image option we can select the FortiAnalyzer and FortiManager. So let's first select the FortiAnalyzer, and let's see if this is opening or not, and do one more thing. We can change this name, save, and let's hit the start. So initially it is started, so seems like that we have correctly installed the images in the correct directory, so that is why it's running. Let's install one more. Okay, let's check it out, the FortiManager as well. Okay, so this is the FMG and FMG, and let's save it. Let's start it out, and let's open it. Yes, it's also working. So we have installed the three images: FortiGate, FortiAnalyzer, and FortiManager. These all are running, and for the configuration, let's create a topology in the next video, and I'll show you how to connect the FortiAnalyzer and FortiManager with the FortiGate firewalls and the basic configuration.